Hi, I'm Eshan, the founder and CEO of Impulse AI. At Impulse, we're building a self-learning autonomous machine learning engineer that can go from data to deployed production model in less than an hour. So let's get started. Today, we're going to talk about the different ways that we can generate predictions after we've trained a model. So here you can see that I put in a prompt. It asked me a question. I uploaded my data set. I asked it to train a model, and it trained a model. So there are three ways that you can actually generate predictions. So the first is within the model card itself, you can hit make prediction. And make prediction, what it allows you to do is it allows you to test in real time within the app, so you don't actually have to leave this UI. So all you do is you enter all your values here and you hit the predict button. Obviously, this is not going to work right now, but it gives you back an answer. The second thing that you can do is you can actually upload a set and ask it to generate predictions. Now, this is exactly what I did. I uploaded a set, and you can see here that it gave predictions for each one. Now, what actually we can do is we can actually download the CSV. So I've already downloaded the CSV, so let me show you. This is what the data set looks like. And what we wanted to know was whether this person was transported or not. And 1 means this person was transported, and 0 means this was not. You can see that we uploaded the CSV, and it gave a transported prediction for each person. The third way is that we're actually able to do it through this API. So I just deployed this model, but what you can actually do is you can deploy this model fully hosted on Impulse servers, so that you don't have to set up any machine learning inference pipelines, Kubernetes, etc. And you can use different ways to get inference at scale. So here's an example. I'm going to run this curl command in the browser for simplicity. What happens now is that if you can see this, if I hit run with this information, I get a prediction and the probability of that person being transported. So this is how you can see that this curl command is actually working and that we're actually able to run inference using a deployed API. Thank you for watching. Those are the 3 different ways that we can actually use inference on the Impulse platform. Again, that would be using it in the UI, uploading a CSV or Excel file, and then using this inference API. Thanks. Bye.